Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is a traditional 19th century ballad called Careless Love. Love, oh, careless love. Love, oh, careless love. Please tell me what I've done for you to hurt me so in fun. Love, oh, careless love. You know, I once was blind, but now I see. Once I was blind, but now I see. Once I was blind, but I'm so glad that now I see just what a fool old love has made of me. Well, you know, what a big fool I have been. Yes, I know what a big fool I have been. Let me say that although such a big fool I have been, well, I'd do it all over again. Oh, you know, if I could cry like I know I should, or if I could cry like I know that I should, or if I could cry like I know that I should, then I'd cry for everyone in love. Yes, I'd cry for everyone in love. I sure would cry for everyone in love. As I said, Careless Love is a 19th century ballad or a Dixieland standard. It's a traditional song. In other words, nobody knows who originally composed it, although, of course, copyright has been claimed by many. There are several popular blues versions and many variations in the lyrics and the harmony. It was first recorded by an unknown, quote, visiting stranger in 1911 for a black folk collection, and there followed a great many recordings, especially by Bessie Smith in 1925, Joan Baez in 1959, Ray Charles in 1962, Janis Joplin in 1975, Billie Holiday in 1941, and many others. Hugh Laurie, famous as Bertie Wooster and Dr. Gregory House in the TV series, apart from being a great actor, a great comedian and a producer, is also a great musician, and he recorded his version in 2013. This is my contribution, with some changes both to the words and the harmony. As I said, I'm doing this in the key of F, but I've also given a score for the key of C. In F, it starts with an F chord, love, then a C7 chord, or love, or back to the F chord, love, repeat, love, or careless C7, love. Please tell me. Now, you've got several alternatives here. You've got an F7, which you can play with the little finger here. But I like the shortened version, which is no fifth note in it, but it sort of stems down a little bit, more sombre. For you to it now, again, a B flat chord is this one with a bar at the second fret. But I know a lot of people don't like bars, so you can just play those three and not to play the top string. B flat minor 7 sounds terrible. It's just one finger right across all four strings or the first fret. In F, C7 and F again. And then that's the same for every verse. If you're doing it in the key of C, love, oh love, careless love. A bit low for me, but it's quite often written in that key. I suggest instead of an F minor here, which is awkward, you play the shorter version of an F minor, which is here. It's a D minor shape, but using the top three strings, 1, 2 and 3, at the 5th fret. It makes it a lot easier. This is as I've written it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that and found that useful. But as always, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.